Hey guys, we received this soak one step stool, durable wood construction for enhanced stability and a safety that is good for any home purpose use. So you can see it comes in nice box. We need to assemble it a little bit. Rest is everything is there. So let me just open this and see. So this we receive for test and try. You can see there are like two step thing here, screws and manual and the main stool top. So it's a heavy duty as I can feel it here. It's really and it solid construction. It supports up to 350 lbs and around 15 and a quarter inches in the width and 13 inches in the height or the length. So these are the screws that comes is a long screws. So the assembly is pretty straightforward. You just the key and everything is provided. So you have to just screw these screws up. Once you just put these four screws, this is all set, and you can see a nice step stool here. So the height wise, it's a really good height. Like if you want to support in between something, and it's very stable as I can feel with a solid wood construction. So the step up for the kids also, it's a good thing, and for elderly patients as well.